Are you making profits on Olymptrade but can't figure out how to actually get your money out? Trust me, you're not alone. I've seen countless traders stuck with profits sitting in their accounts because they don't know the fastest, safest way to withdraw from Olymptrade. Here's the thing, knowing how to deposit is just half the battle. The real test, getting your hard-earned money back into your hands without delays, without headaches, and most importantly, without losing a chunk of it to fees. What if I told you there are specific methods that can get your money out in less than 24 hours, and some that you should absolutely avoid unless you want to wait weeks? Stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how to withdraw from Olymptrade like a pro. I've personally tested every withdrawal method on Olymptrade, dealt with their support team countless times. So yeah, I know what works and what doesn't. In the next few minutes, here's exactly what you'll learn. The 3 fastest withdrawal methods that process within 24 hours, the step-by-step process to avoid those annoying rejection emails, the 2 biggest mistakes that keep your money stuck in limbo, plus I'll show you a real example of a $500 withdrawal from start to finish. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to get your profits out safely and quickly. Before we jump into withdrawal methods, let's address the elephant in the room. Account verification. You must have a fully verified trading account and upload the requested documents before making any withdrawal, as this is a security measure that protects both you and your funds. Here's what you need: government-issued ID, proof of address from the last 3 months, and if you used a bank card, a photo of that card. Don't skip this step. It's the #1 reason withdrawals get delayed. Now let's talk methods. Olymptrade supports crypto, bank cards, and popular e-payment systems, but not all methods are created equal. Method 1, Skrill and Neteller, fastest. These e-wallets are recommended because withdrawal processing is carried out as quickly as possible and expert traders get top priority. Processing time, usually under 24 hours. Method 2, Crypto, TRC20, ERC20. Crypto withdrawal is a simple 3-step process. Access the payment section, select withdraw, choose your crypto method. Just know there's a commission involved. Method 3, bank cards, Visa or MasterCard. These are popular options with 24-hour processing time, but availability depends on your region. Here's the exact process. Step 1, log into your Olymptrade account. Step 2, click on payments in the main menu. Step 3, select withdraw. Step 4, choose your withdrawal method. Step 5, enter the amount. Remember, minimum withdrawal is $10. Step 6, enter your payment details. Step 7, click submit request. Let me show you a real example. Say you've got $500 in profits and want to withdraw using Skrill. You'd go to payments, withdraw, select Skrill as your method, enter $500 as the amount, input your Skrill email address. Submit the request. Expected timeline, 12-24 hours max. That's it. Would you prefer crypto or e-wallet withdrawals? Let me know in the comments below. Common mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1, not matching your withdrawal method to your deposit method. If you deposited using multiple methods, withdrawal amounts are proportional to deposits made with each method. This trips up so many people. Mistake number 2, making large withdrawal requests over $2,000 without considering that smaller chunks under $1,000 process faster. Pro tips for faster withdrawals. Complete verification before your first trade. Become an expert trader for priority processing. Use recommended methods like Skrill or Neteller. Most withdrawals process within 24 hours, but bank transfers can take up to 5 days. Always double-check your payment details before submitting important notes about fees. Olymptrade applies a 15% commission on some withdrawal methods, which is deducted from your withdrawal amount. This varies by method, so check the fee structure for your chosen option. You can track your withdrawal status by going to Payments, Transactions to see real-time updates. Here's your takeaway. Withdrawing from Olymptrade doesn't have to be complicated. Verify your account first, choose the right method for your needs, and follow the exact steps I showed you. Remember, Skrill and Neteller for speed, crypto for flexibility, and always match your withdrawal method to your deposit method. Do this right and you'll have your profits in your hands within 24 hours. The difference between successful traders and frustrated ones: the successful ones know how to get their money out efficiently. If this video saved you time and headaches, smash that like button and subscribe for more trading tutorials like this. Drop a comment below with your biggest withdrawal question. I read every single one and reply personally. And if you're ready to start trading on Olymptrade with confidence, check out my affiliate link in the description. You'll get access to the same platform I use, plus some exclusive bonuses to get you started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.